Get down! Drop the weapon! Drop the weapon!
I don't want to go to jail again.
Calm down.
I don't want to go to
down.
jail. You better
Calm down.
We have 41-year-old Thomas Burke, which was a suspect for an active domestic assault complaint the police received. He was tracked and found in his car behind a Domino's. Add that to the top 10 lists of places to hide from police.
I'm here to talk about what's going on with you.
I don't know. Running to the cops, seals my car, gets drunk crazy, goes nuts. Trust me.
Okay, where now?
I don't know. Took off. Scared again. Knows the cops are coming. Oh yeah.
Can you come chat with me? Don't pull away. Do not leave. Do not. He's pulling out. He's trying to pull out. Do not leave. Just stop. He's coming out. He's coming out. What? Up.
The officer tried speaking with Thomas, but he chose to make things worse by driving away. He speeds off, almost hitting the officer, and as soon as he reaches the road, he crashes into a civilian car.
He's got a hammer. Go, go. Watch out, watch out. No! Get down! Drop the weapon! Drop the weapon! I need more units. Drop the hammer! Drop the hammer! I don't want to shoot you! Calm
I don't want
down!
to go to jail again.
Calm down.
I don't want to go
Calm
to
down.
jail. You better
Calm
fucking
down.
shoot me.
Drop the hammer.
I'm not going back.
Drop the hammer.
You better do it. Oh.
Nobody wants to shoot you. Drop the
I haven't
hammer.
done shit.
I don't know if he got tired or was just out of breath, but Thomas decides to sit on the grass and take a breather.
Shoot you. Drop the
I
hammer.
haven't done shit. Whatever.
Roll onto your stomach. Do it now. Roll to your left onto your stomach. Drop the hammer. Thomas.
I don't need to do that.
Thomas.
Put your hands up.
Thomas, can you take a breath for me? Can you roll onto your left side, okay? I don't want to hurt you.
Yes, that's a good
Can
one.
you
Do
roll?
that.
Drop the hammer.
Drop the hammer! Drop the hammer! Do it now! Do it now! Let's go.
Drop the hammer.
Drop the hammer.
Let's do it. I don't
Thomas.
want to. I want to die.
Thomas, listen.
I want to die. I'm not going
Take
to
a deep
jail.
breath. Take a deep breath.
I'm not going to jail. Shoot me, bitches.
Thomas, stop.
Shoot me.
Thomas, look at me. Look at me. Thomas.
I'm not going.
Look at me. Take a deep breath.
I
Okay?
am not going. This bitch
Thomas.
has ruined my life.
No.
You have no idea.
Thomas,
You don't.
I don't. I don't.
No one knows. I am not going to go to jail for this fucking stupid cunt. She destroyed everything.
Thomas, listen.
After his short break, Thomas then gets up and tries to escape the police on foot.
One hammer.
Stop. Stand. Thomas, stop. Thomas.
Not reaching far, but an attempt was made. Once surrounded, Thomas decides this is his final stand, where he will fight the officers.
You want to shoot me? Then shoot me.
We're westbound behind the house.
I'll throw this shit at you.
He was then stopped with a less lethal round by the police.
I'll throw this shit at you. Drop it!
Less than lethal deployed.
Let's deploy.
Drop it.
I got the hammer.
Give me your other hand. Drop it.
Limbs deployed. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop tensing up. Get your knee off my back.
Thomas,
Stop
breathe.
tensing.
Thomas, breathe.
Please.
Just comply.
Okay.
All right.
I am. Give me your shoulder. Please. Please.
Thomas, it's all right. Just breathe. All right? Stop fighting. It's going to be okay.
Burt was arrested and charged with attempted aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, grossly negligent operation, leaving a scene of accident, eluding police while operating in a negligent manner, and impeding a public officer. How's that for resume?
You stop! Get the f*** out of me, dude! God damn it, dude! Stop! No, you stop! Stop!
Finally, we have 38-year-old Rick Phillips. On September 12, 2024, an officer stopped Rick for speeding. Things got hot because Rick chose not to identify himself to the police.
Hi, I'm Brian Cowan, Reading Police Department. The reason I stopped you is you're going about 60 miles an hour on Pacelli as you passed me. Can I see your license, registration, and insurance, please?
I'm not in the process of conducting business.
Okay, we're not going to play that game, sir. So if you don't want to identify yourself, I'm just going to place you under arrest and tow your vehicle. Okay?
I'm traveling right now.
Yeah, we're not going to do that. Okay? So I need to see your ID, and I need to see the registration and insurance on your vehicle, okay?
Rick uses the same old excuse of, "I'm not doing business, I'm traveling." And the officer might just be tired of hearing that BS.
And you're a grown adult, so you're going to make an adult decision right now. Okay? So that's up to you. What do you want to do? Okay, you're going to be placed under arrest. Step out of the vehicle. Out of the vehicle.
Hey, bro.
Edward 47. I'll take a 1025. Don't.
Trying. I
Don't.
got hemophilia, bro. Ow, that hurts.
Don't.
Let me get out.
Don't. Get out right now. Undo your seatbelt. Undo your seatbelt and get out.
I'm traveling, sir.
Undo your seatbelt
I'm not
and get
conducting
out of
business
the
right
vehicle.
now.
You are under arrest.
I'm not conducting
Get
business.
out of your vehicle. Out of your vehicle. Undo your seatbelt. Do you understand me?
Even while being arrested, Rick still refuses to cooperate with the police, stating he is not doing business.
Undo your seatbelt and get out of the vehicle.
Hey, man.
Undo your seatbelt and get out of the vehicle.
Break my arm.
I'm not going to break your arm. I don't want to. I want you to get out of the vehicle. Do you not want to get your seatbelt off first?
Bro.
Why don't you just get your seatbelt off and we'll do this easy.
My arm, bro.
No.
God damn it, dude. I'm not
You're under
conducting
arrest.
business.
You're under arrest.
I'm not conducting business.
You're under arrest. Okay?
No, for what? Show me the magistrate.
Yeah, that's where we're going to go. You don't want to identify yourself, so we're going to do that. Okay? You don't get to do this, sir.
You don't either, bro. You don't get to go in my car and take me out and break my arm.
I'm asking you to step out.
I'm asking you to let go of my arm.
I'm not going to do that.
I can't reach my seatbelt.
You can do it with your right arm.
No, I can't.
You can do it with your right arm. 47. I'll take another unit.
Get off me, dude! What is your problem?
Don't.
Get the fuck off me!
Stop.
Get off me, dude!
Stop.
Get the fuck off!
Stop.
No!
Stop.
God damn it, dude! What the fuck?
Resisting
What
me.
the fuck?
Stop resisting
You,
me.
I'm not
You're under
resisting
arrest.
shit! Pull me over then, dude!
Stop
What the fuck?
resisting me.
No, dude! You're attacking me, dude!
Stop.
No!
During the struggle, Rick tries putting his car in drive in an attempt to flee the police.
Stop.
Off me, dude! You stop! Get the off of me, dude! God damn it, dude!
Stop.
No, you stop!
Stop.
You stop!
You're not going anywhere.
I'm not arrested.
You're under arrest.
For what?
You're under
You
arrest.
caught me speeding. Give me a ticket so
Stop
I'll be on my
resisting
way.
me.
Things start to get real heated, and Rick gets into a little wrestling with the officer, which didn't go well, if I should say so.
Stop. I got you. Stop.
What are you guys doing, dude?
You're under arrest.
You guys. Smash my face, dude!
Stop resisting.
And put me under arrest and throw me to the magistrate!
You are under arrest. Got it? Yeah. Here, let's get this arm.
Stop.
You're good, bro. Stop.
I'm burning my face.
All right. Got it? No, it's on my short. This one's not locked. I got you.
The officer got some help from a nearby civilian to deal with arresting the wild Rick. What a hero he is! And you can be a hero too by leaving a like and subscribe to help us keep the lights on. Anyways, Rick was arrested and charged for resisting arrest and refusing to comply during a traffic stop. Let us know in the comments if you ever had a run-in with the police and how it went. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, stay safe and out of trouble.